let's talk about index in order to fully understand it, because to completely get pagination, one has to understand indexing. So let's talk about, but the first one we'll talk about will be getting start and end index. So I am guessing that we already know how to get the start and last index of a page. Given when the page, or also called the current page, is provided with the page size. Let me just refresh our memory. When provided with the current page and page size, we can calculate the start and end index. For example, if the current page is 2 and the page size is 20, the start index is going to be current page subtracted by 1 and then multiplied by page size. That is, the start index is going to be 2 minus 1 multiplied by 20, and the end index is going to be current page multiplied by the page size. That is, end index is equal to 2 times 20 is equal to 40, or you can say the end index is the start index plus page size. That is, 20 plus 20 is equal to 40. Now that we've gotten this out of the way, now let's look at calculating the current page. So if the page size is 20 and the index is 20, what is the number of the page, or what is the number of the current page? Just guess. Yeah, you're right. The current page is 1. Why? Because since the page size is 20, so 20 items we have to be on the page. Since only the first 20 items is on this page, it means it is the first page. So remember that indexing typically starts from 0. So page 1 contains items indexed from 0 to 19. So when we are using the index for page 1, it is not going to be 19, although the index is 0 to 19. But if we're using the index for page 1, it's going to be 20 due to the way iteration works. Because if you want to get the items from 0 to 19, you have to loop through 0 to 20, because you will not get the 20th item, but you will get the items from the index of 0 to 19, but not the 20th. So that's why we use 20 as the index in this example, where 20 items per page, and we are looking to get for page 1. So how to get the next page? So let's say we have a page size as 20 and the current page is 1 and the index is 20. So to get the next page, we add the index plus page size. That is 20 plus 20, which is 40. This means that page 2 will be all items from index 20 to 39, which are 20 items. The 40th index will not be in the list. So to get the next page is to do next page equal to index plus page size, or last index plus 1 plus page size. So the first index of page 1 will be 0. The last index of page 1 will be 19, and the index will be 20. The index is also the next index after the last index. Then the first index of page 2 will be 20. The last index of page 2 will be 39, and the index will be 40. The first index of page 3 will be 40. The last index of page 3 will be 59, and the index will be 60. The first index of page 4 will be 60. The last index of page 4 will be 79, and the index will be 80. Just like that. So how to get the previous page? To get the previous page, we simply subtract page size from the index, which will give you the starting index of the previous page. That is, if the current page is 2 with a page size of 20 and the current index is 20, to get the previous page, what you do is to say previous page is equal to index minus page size. That is, the previous page equal to 20 minus 20 equal to 0. Now, so it means that the first page is the previous page and its index is 0. So to get the items in the previous page, validating the next page. So before attempting to fetch the next page, you should always validate that there is indeed the next page.